In this lesson, you will learn about Craft Express 25-liter oven, a powerful convection oven made for sublimation, clay crafting, and other unique crafts that require heat and pressure for sublimation. The oven allows for the personalization of uniquely shaped items that cannot be sublimated with the use of a tumbler press or a flat press. By the end of this lesson, you will create your first of many tumblers. Let's review the materials and products we will need. For this project, we will need the 25-liter oven, a 20-ounce frosted skinny tumbler, lint roller, a ruler, measuring tape, shrink film, heat-resistant glove, a heat gun, thermal tape, and tape dispenser. Next, we will prep our tumbler, remove the lid, and we're first going to measure to create the template. Use the ruler to measure the height, and use the measuring tape to measure the circumference of your tumbler. This will give us the width and height of the template we need to create. Now we're ready to go design. We're going to be using Canva for the design portion of this project. To begin creating the template, we're going to select Custom Size at the right corner of the banner. Next, change the sizing to inches and input the measurements. We're going to be using 8.13 for the width and 7.87 for the height. Select Create New Design. Now that our template has been created, we are ready to design. Go over to the left panel and select Elements. In the search bar, type orange background. We're going to be creating a summer tumbler. Then click Enter. Under Graphics, select See All and choose the design you wish to use. Place it on the corner of the screen and stretch it out to fit the entire template. Next, we're going to save it. Type the name that you wish to use and click Share. Select Download and change the file type to PDF Print. Select Flatten PDF and save download settings to keep the settings and the design we have used. Click Download. I'm using a Sawgrass printer, so I'm going to be using Sawgrass PrintMate and drag my design onto PrintMate. Ensure that the sizing is correct, and next we want to make sure that we have chosen Mirror. On the product type, I'm going to switch it to Glass. Make sure it's at high quality, and then we're going to move on to color management. Under color management, I'm changing it to vibrant, and now we're ready to print. Next step is to prep our tumbler. Clean it using a lint roller. Next, trim all the extra pieces of paper that are not part of your design. In this case, I'm using a paper trimmer, but you can also use scissors. Next, wrap your design around your tumbler, then secure it down with heat-resistant tape. I like to start with the tape down the middle and then move my way up and down overlapping tape. Now we're going to place our tumbler inside shrink film. Use heat-resistant gloves and the heat gun to shrink the shrink film onto your tumbler. Turn the tumbler to shrink the film evenly. Our tumbler is now ready for the oven. Plug the oven to turn it on. Set the temperature by turning the left two knobs. To set the temperature, click the knob in the middle. We're setting it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the time with the far right knob, turning it to 12 minutes. Then hit the button in the middle to start the time. When the oven is ready to use, you will hear a beeping sound. The time will start automatically. Place your tumbler inside and close the door. Once the time is up, it will beep again to notify you. Now it's time to remove our tumbler. We can remove the shrink film and the sublimation paper. And this is the final result. I love how beautiful and vibrant these tumblers turned out. It looks amazing. Congratulations on completing your very first project using the 25-liter oven. Check out the next video to learn more about the various presses available for sublimation.